In today's video, we will focus on document templates in Leon software. The Documents Manager is available in the Leon admin panel under the General Settings section. Using the filter by bar, you can search for existing templates by name or the selected type, decide whether the unpublished document should also be visible, and sort by language. The table provides you a detailed overview of your files. In the name column, you can update the name of the document and its version. The type and language columns show the document category and its assigned language. In the published column, a single click enables a document for use. A green dot indicates it is active. Clicking it again will disable it. In the Crew app column, you can make documents visible and downloadable for crew members in the mobile app. The last modified column displays the UTC time of the template's latest update. The Action column allows you to preview the document, copy the template, or edit it. Once you select the Edit option, you can modify the following tabs: Body, the main content, Header, Footer, CSS to update styling, File name, and finally the AI Assistant. You don't need to be familiar with the HTML to update the template, as our AI Assistant can customize the document based on your comments. Simply accept the terms and write your request. Under the Settings icon, you can select a specific model from the drop-down list. You can also upload a file for the AI to use as a template. Before saving, you can preview the document version in both HTML and PDF version. The clock icon allows you to check the history of changes for the particular template. Here, you can also download the previous version of the document. Click Save to apply changes, or save as a copy to create a new template. At the top, you can save the template to Google Drive, download or print it. The three-dot menu offers options to enable two-page view, see annotations, present the document, or view its properties. Clicking the pin symbol reveals additional tabs. In the Data tab, you can find all available variables. By entering a specific quote or trip number in the search field, you can preview the document with that data. By default, the system pulls data from the last used quote or trip. You can also expand each source. Lastly, you can upload images or files to be used later in the template. In the settings, you can set the document language, margins, page orientation, or specific engine version for HTML to PDF conversion. If you would like us to assist with the document customization process, feel free to contact us through the customer support portal.